Hello everyone, I Satish Kumar, lecturer in English in Suraj School, Mahendragarh. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic notice writing. In my last video, I taught you about the definition of notice writing, and after that I taught you about some major characteristics of notice writing. In that video I taught you about when we will write notice, then we should remember some major points like we should start notice from name of the institution, school, company in capital with black pen. After that we should mention date. We should mention the same date on which we are going to write notice. Otherwise we should write the date which is given in the caption. After that word notice, and after word notice we should mention title. Always try to find out title from the caption. Okay, and after that we should write content. We always try to remember one thing, that we should give all relevant information in content. Okay, after just completion of content we should mention designation, we should mention signature, and after signature we should mention designation. Okay, after that we should make a box. Now in today's video I am going to tell you an example which is related to notice writing. There is a question: you are Rahul of class 11th of Suraj School, Mahendragarh. You lost your wristwatch in your school playground. Write a notice for your school notice board giving detailed description of the watch. This is the question. First of all, you should read the question in a proper way. First of all, you should highlight main points like you are Rahul. The signature of the writer of this notice is Rahul, and when you will write signature, then you will write signature of Rahul. And class 11th, this is the designation and of Suraj School, Mahendragarh. Suraj School, Mahendragarh is the name of the school. You lost your wristwatch. You lost your wristwatch. Okay. In your school playground, write a notice for your school notice board giving detailed description of the watch. Okay. After that, we should write notice according to the structure of notice writing. You know very well that first of all we should mention name of the institute. Okay. In this question, Suraj School, Mahendragarh is the name of the school. First of all we should mention name of the institution, name of the school in capital with black pen in middle of the page, in above part of the page. Okay. After that we should mention date. We should mention the same date on which we are going to write notice. Today is 8th May. That's why we should write 8th May 2021. Okay. We should remember one thing, that we should write the date which is given in the caption. If there is no date is given in the caption, then we should write the date on which we are going to give our exam. Okay. After that we should leave one line between date and word notice. Always try to mention word notice in capital with black pen. After that we should leave one line between notice and title. When you lost anything in notice, we should always highlight title in this way, like lost with exclamatory mark, lost with exclamatory mark, lost with exclamatory mark in capital with black pen. After that we should leave one line between title and content. Okay, we should start content in this way. If we lost anything, then we should start content with lost a wrist watch. When we will write content, we should give all relevant information. Lost a wristwatch in the school playground. In the question, playground is given. That's why we should write playground in the content on 7th May 2021. If there is no date is given, then you can write date according to your own way. At 2 p.m. similar condition we can apply here. If no time is given, then you can write time according to your own way. It is an HMT watch. If any company name is given in the question, then you can write the name which is given in the question. If there is no name of company is given in the question, you can write any name of any company. Okay, it is an HMT watch with golden chain. The finder is requested to return it to the undersigned. He will be rewarded suitably. Okay, after just completion of content, we should leave one line. We should leave one line between content and signature. Okay, after that we should mention signature. I have already told you in my last video that you should mention signature in this way. First letter of signature should be in capital, remaining part of signature should be in small form. If signature contains two words like Rahul Yadav, the second word also start from capital letter, remaining part of second word should be in small form. Okay, after that, after signature you should not leave any line between signature and designation. Okay, after just signature you should mention designation. Here in the question 11th class is given, that's why designation is 11th class. You can write roll number in this way. Okay, after that you should make a box. Okay, in this example of notice writing, I have told all relevant characteristics about notice writing. First of all, we should start notice from the name of the institution. After that, we should write date. After that, we should mention word notice. After that, we should mention title. After that, we should mention content. In content, we should try to give all relevant information. Always try to remember one thing, that when we will write content of notice, then we should use third person in content. We should avoid the use of first and second person. After that, just completion of content, we should leave one line between content and signature. After signature, we should mention designation. After designation, we should make a box. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day. Okay.